And today is National Quesadilla Day. So we are having chicken quesadillas in the pie iron.
Another new one for us. First time for everything. Always want to start with a little bit of cooking oil, cooking spray. We are thinking of a square folded up quesadilla. So
kind of like a pocket.
Here we go. Pre-shredded cheese, mostly pepper jack.
Pre-smoked chicken.
Already shredded. A little more cheese.
Oh, and I have this.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. A little bit of green onion.
Gotta get a little flavor inside there. Okay, and now comes the trick. Taking sides in first, top and bottom. And since this is going to be the first one, we'll go ahead and flip that over. Number one.
Ooh, I think that looks great.
Okay. See if we can do it one more time. I think one of the tricks with the pie iron is you can easily go a little overboard if you're not careful. So easy as she goes, easy as she goes. If we need to do another one, I don't know. We have a little left. Okay, got the cheese, got the onion, the chicken, a little more cheese. That leaves us a little extra. The top, bottom, the side,
the flip.
and we are good to go.
Ta-da!
We are going on the fire. See you back here in a minute.
It's been about 5 minutes, so now the chef will flip the pie iron. The goal is to melt it all together. Okay, we're after 5 minutes on each side, testing it out. Nice. I think it looks really good.
Wouldn't want to go any farther than that. Your heat may vary.
Looks pretty good.
It's like a pie iron
Now we
dinner.
get it out of there without burning or...
Oh, there's no fork.
Okay, I'll go get one.
There's one, two. Just to make sure everything's melted, or it's not really a quesadilla, right? Oh yeah, we got melted cheese. We've got our pie iron dinner success.